welcome back to a Study Bites. I hope you all are enjoying your day. Today we're going to be taking a look at another Canva app that you may not know about. This one is called the Comic Book app. This is my first time utilizing this, so we will be working together on this one. So it looks like you're just going to turn your text into comics, so it's kind of like an AI prompt generator. Describe your comment. I want y'all to keep in mind that y'all only get 2 credits a day. So if you do like this app, you can purchase more credits, of course. For this, I'm going to go over to my chat GPT where I had started to create a prompt for a comic book character, but this was way intense, something I would use in Midjourney, so I redid it with 50, no more than 50 characters. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy it from here, come back over to Canva and paste it in. I'm going to keep it on portrait, opposed to square and landscape. And then I'm going to get rid of this little part that says in grid, okay? So let's see what it comes up with, okay? I'm not sure how many characters you can put in there. Okay, so this definitely given futuristic, and it does feel more like a comic book. What do you guys think? I'm gonna set this as the background. What do you guys think? I do like the colors, it's very vibrant. And let's do another one. This one I'm not going to use ChatGPT. So what are we going to do here? We're going to do an African American young woman. She's going to have with flowy hair. And I want her flying over an urban city. I'm going to leave this really, really loose and let Canva do its thing. I just want to see how far it can go without me being as precise the way I would in Midjourney. Okay, so it's on the wrong page. Let's come it down. Okay. So there's the background. Okay, so African American, right? Flowy hair, yes, but she is not flying. So that is the only drawback on this image right here. They did a really good job with the first image. The second image as well is comic book like, but the first image I would probably go with. The second image, she's not doing what I wanted her to. So I think I would have to modify the prompt a little bit. Okay.